Greetings. I'm going to demonstrate how to process a refund using the sales history button. So right here at the top, I see sales history. So I am going to process a refund for a sale that I completed in a previous transaction. So I'm going to tap sales history. And if I'm doing this the same day or it was a recent transaction, I'll go ahead and hit enter accept for customer sale history and leave it at last 50 transactions. And enter accept. If it was for an earlier time of the day, you'll probably want to enter the actual date of the transaction. So in this case, I am looking for a transaction that I completed on 6/3. Salesperson is PD, which is myself. So I'm going to select the top transaction in this case. And then hit enter accept, and that will load the transaction. I see that it is transaction 37, but here I have an option to refund sale. So I'm going to press refund sale. Brings me to this window where I edit the quantity. I either hit the edit quantity button or tap directly into the return quantity field and change the quantity to 1, because I am refunding 1 bottle. And then if you tab off first and then hit enter accept, that will work better. So now I'm on my refund screen. I've got a negative number here. I'm going to go ahead and hit tender sale. I'll see a window that asks me, am I sure I want to continue with a total that is negative? Yes. I'll select the reason code. In this case, I'm going to say customer changed mind and hit enter accept. Do you wish to use the original card in payment of the refund amount? And I'm going to enter yes. And I've got my refund window and I'm ready to process. So I hit enter complete sale. And because I have selected the transaction that the card was, the transaction, using a transaction number, I was able to actually find the transaction. I do not need the credit card to be able to process the refund. So as you see, after pressing enter complete sale, I have a credit authorization passed. I will hit enter accept to close this window and print the receipt. Press any key to continue, and now you're ready to process the next transaction.